Well, we're back over at my daughter's house still, and as you can see, she's been shopping.
It's Valentine's Day coming up, and we gotta get prepared. So let's see what I got at the Dollar Tree. Now you know, as of the brand new year, well, it's not the brand new year yet, but when I went shopping, but I think after Christmas the prices went up to $125, but it's still pretty good for what I got. So the first item is my little bell, so pretty little door hanger with the frosted color bells, and I love that. They had it with hearts too, but I like the sound of the bells, so I got that instead. And then I got this little hanger, and
I think it works great with your gingerbread theme.
yeah, and it looks like little donuts. You know how donuts are.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna use it for Valentine's this year, and I might take it apart for next year for Christmas or something. I don't know, but I like it. It's really cute. And then I got my little cupcake sign. I'm all into fake baking right now, so I gotta have something to reference when I'm doing my cupcakes. And then I got this napkin. Kind of makes me think of 4th of July, so I thought, let me get it right now. I can always use it in some kind of DIY or on the 4th of July table. Then this is super cute. My little envelope, and it has a little heart that comes out. It says sealed with a kiss. I just love the different two tones, you know, with the the red with white polka dots, and then you have the pink gingham check. So that's really cute.
And it sort of goes with the cupcake holders, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so we're gonna make some cupcakes for Valentine's.
And the great thing, you could have red ones, and then you got this gray and white polka dot. Won't that look nice? Every other one.
Well, we also have some other cupcake holders as well for
Yeah,
Valentine's.
Mom brought her a whole bunch to work with.
Yeah, so we'll have a variety. And then I just bought some candy. I'm gonna make something up for the kids. So just little candy rose suckers. And then if you want to go there, I got some stickers, and I'm planning on using those for some of my fake bakes. I love this little balloon animal items, so those will look really cute on cupcakes or mug toppers, so we'll see. And then I got these cups because I'm planning on trying my hand out some fake ice cream scoops, so I wanted a cute little cup to put them in. So that'll be coming in the next couple of months. I would like to say weeks, but I already know myself. I have too much to do. So, but you know, when you see this stuff at Dollar Tree and you have an idea of what you can use it for, you better get it now because it will not be there when you go back. Because I've had that happen to me.
Yeah. Anytime I see anything that I really like, even if I'm not using it until next year, I buy it.
Mm-hmm.
I bought some trays last year for $1, and I did buy a pair when I bought them. The only time I ever saw them in any of my stores was the day I bought them. Never saw them again.
So good thing you bought them when you did.
I did, and they were beautiful, and I'm not complaining.
And then I got this cute little sign. It says the Kissing Booth, and it says 25 cents per kiss. So I thought that would be a cute little display sign. And then my mom, let me move over. I'm gonna come on this side. My mom got this cute little tray for me, and it's a cupcake tray. Oh, I closed it. And I can store my faux toppers.
It fits perfect, guys.
Yes,
Perfect.
Perfect. So I'm very happy. So now I got to make more toppers, more cupcakes, so I can put them in this little box. So this was a great find, Mom. I really appreciate it because I was wondering how am I going to store these things without getting damaged. So this is the perfect solution.
And next time I go, if they have any more, I'm going to pick up 3 or 4. Not that you need them right now, but you're going to need them in the future.
That's right.
And, you know, you don't know what you're going to find there when you go.
Yeah, and you never know what I'm going to create that might fit in here. So this is a great, great find. So thank you so much. So So I can't wait to show you what it looks like when it's all filled up.
And I'm sure it'll be filled up soon.
Yes, because I have a lot of things that I'm going to be working on in the next.
And I can't
Couple
believe
months.
those toppers fit in there so perfect.
I know. So this is a good judge to make sure that we don't go any higher than that, so that they'll be able to fit in there. So
Oh my
it's
gosh.
perfect.
I am so happy with this find.
Yes.
Well, I guess that's it for us. I hope you come back again. We always have something new and different on this channel.
Yay!
And we're going to be starting our new channel, actually putting a lot of videos up starting in March. There is a few videos up if you'd like to go check them out. In case I get sick again, and if I get sick, she's got to put the stuff up herself and shoot it herself. So,
So the new channel is Blossom Your Creativity.
and we're going to have a lot of great things coming up starting in March. So better to get signed up now and get notified when we start putting it together in March. Because you're going to be really surprised what we're going to be doing on that new channel. And we're going to start filming a bunch of new projects pretty soon. We're going out and buying 2 brand new tablets for We Can Go Crazy. So be ready to watch a lot of great creativity, huh?
Yes. Thank you for coming by and seeing our shopping haul today. And if you're not already a subscriber of this channel, please consider it and give us a thumbs up.
Bye. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy and
Debbie. Hello, welcome to a new shopping haul. It's a small one, but I wanted to share because it was for upcoming Valentine's Day. So where we're going with a truck. So cute. This is Love You More, and it has the bed of the truck has little cupcakes in it. So cupcakes will be the theme of February. I think I'm gonna be doing a lot of cupcakes. So I just wanted to have that for a display once we get the cupcakes done. And then we've got our little towel. This one's super cute with a little bicycle. Look at how they made the tires into little hearts. So cute.
I think this is my favorite one that you got.
Yeah.
And then of course these beautiful heart balloons floating up in the air.
So cute. So somehow I'll need to display that. I don't know, we might try to find a little spot in my kitchen to do like a little corner for all of the baked goods.
A little cozy corner.
Yeah, the phony baked goods that I'm going to do.
Oh.
But I don't have a corner in my kitchen, so we'll have to call it something else. But
Well, you got a month to figure it out.
yeah. So then the other towel is just little hearts.
But my favorite is this one.
You know how these towel sets, they have one really nice one, and then they have another one in the back that's just plain. I'm like, why can't they just give you 2 nice ones?
Yeah, because I'd love to have a pair of those.
Yeah, they're
I love
super
them.
cute.
I just love it. Well, maybe Grandma will go over there and see if she can find another pair.
Yeah, let me see, what did I pay for that? $6.99. That's not bad.
$7, not too bad.
Yeah. And then I got these really cute cupcake baking cups. See if I can get that in there. And so I think there's 25 of each because it says 50. But one has the little conversation hearts on it, and the other one is that two-tone pink stripe with the love on it. But I'm so
Well, you
excited.
notice, you can see that it's on each side too.
Yeah.
It's very nice.
So I'm excited about that. And then I had to get, and then let me see, what was the price on this one? Oh, I think it was $3.99.
It's not bad.
That's pretty good.
That's why I like Home Goods. You know, they have a lot of nice things, and pretty reasonable, even when they're not on sale.
Yeah, and these look like they're good quality ones.
They
so.
are. They're always good.
And then I got these little risers for my cupcakes. Okay, sorry, blooper there. Anyways, I got these cake stands, mini cake stands for my cupcakes. So when it comes time, we'll be displaying them on these little white risers. And then we got some other cupcake. These ones are like the paper, but they have the pink hearts, pink and white hearts. And then Mom got this one, looks so cute. So I love the color of these.
Looks like we're ready to go to the circus to me.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Looks like maybe I can use for Alice in Wonderland, maybe.
Probably would work
Never
perfect.
know. And then a riser for another cake, maybe a mini cake.
I think a mini cake would be perfect on it.
Yeah, yeah.
And you know, the
We'll
color looks like it'd be perfect for the mini cake for the one we're
birthday.
doing on the birthday on the 18th.
Yeah, because it's not like a true red, because you can see this is a red, and so this is more like a pinky red, this one.
Mm-hmm.
So I think it'll still work. So I'll use that for her cake, and then just add, a nice ribbon on it. So it'll be fun.
Oh, I can't wait.
So those are just some of the items that I got from Home Goods. I'm still planning to go to the 99-cent store because I know they have some good things.
And don't forget, we're doing a collab on the January the 18th. It's for Gigi's birthday, and you can put up anything you want, anytime you want, but it needs to go up on the 18th, and it has to have a birthday theme. And don't forget to wish Gigi a happy birthday also.
And I just happened to find these in my stash. I thought I'd show them. They're like little balloons.
And
they're
we're gonna
all different colors. So
and we're
I'm
gonna
gonna use them for Gigi's birthday because we want to have a great birthday celebration. So these were just in my stash, but I thought I'd show them. I have them sitting on the side because I'm planning on using them in some kind of creative way.
I can't wait.
All
Well,
right.
I guess we're just about done. This was a very small haul, and we wanted to share it with you guys. Please take care, and I hope you all have an awesome 2022. And we're going to be doing a lot of expansion on our channel, aren't we?
Mm-hmm. And we're gonna come up with some different ideas for creating different, different themes, and so it's going to be exciting to see what we come up with. I've got a lot of ideas. I just hope I have enough time to implement them all.
Well, and then Grandma, hard to believe, is going to try to join in on a few small, easy DIYs.
Mm-hmm. So you gotta stay tuned. That new channel, Blossom Your Creativity, will be launching in March, and we will be sending out reminders as we get closer to the date.
And some big surprises. See you then. Hugs and kisses to all of you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.